Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn capacitors in parallel. Okay, let's consider two capacitors having capacitance C1 and C2 which is connected in parallel. In parallel circuit V is same. Potential difference across the capacitors are same. Why? Because if you see one end of this C1 is A, other end is what? B. Similarly one end of C2 is what? A, other end is B. Similarly one end of this cell is what? A, other end is what? B, that is V volt. So no. So here V is same and charge division takes place. So Q divides. So whatever the charge, total charge is there by the cell that divides as Q1 and Q2. So Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. Okay, let's take this as equation 1. Since we know the concepts that Q is nothing but C into V. Yes or no? So what is the charge stored in the capacitor C1? That is Q1. Q1 is nothing but C1 into V. Okay, C1 into V1, but as we know that V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V. So we can write C1 into V. Yes or no? Let's take this equation A. Similarly, what is the charge stored in capacitor C2? That is Q2 is equal to what? C2 into V2. As V2 is nothing but V, so we can write C2 into V. Let's take this is equation B. Now we have to take one effective capacitance in parallel, that is Cp. Okay, connected to the same cell of V volt. Okay, so what is the charge stored across this Cp? So that is Q is stored, that is equal to what? C into V. What is the capacitance? Cp into V. Consider this equation C. Using equation A, B, C in equation 1. What is equation 1? Total charge is equal to what? Q1 plus Q2. And what is Q? Cp into V. What is Q1? C1 into V. Yes or no? And what is Q2? C2 into V. Can you take the V common? Yes. So Cp into V, you can take V common, that is equal to C1 plus C2. So V get cancelled. So finally we are getting a Cp is nothing but C1 plus C2. Yes or no? So this is the derivation. So capacitors in parallel is similar to the resistance in series. Yes or no? Here in parallel, whenever the two capacitors are connected in parallel, so Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. Okay, in series also when two resistors are connected in series, so Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. I hope you understood these concepts of capacitors in parallel. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.